Now Jessie's gonna perform a bird dog. Now Jessie is about 26 weeks along in her pregnancy. It's her first pregnancy. Her belly's not too big, and this position actually feels okay for her. She's not feeling a lot of pressure in her anterior core or the feeling of kind of like bulging or falling out. So around the beginning of second trimester, this is gonna be fine for most women. Nearing the end of second trimester, especially if you're carrying a little bit more weight or you feel any pressure or bulging in the front, then this might not be a great exercise for you. So in order to do it, she's gonna get in a quadruped position or on all fours. Hands are directly under the shoulders and knees are directly underneath the hips. She's gonna have a nice neutral spine, so there's gonna be a little bit of a curve in her lower back. Her head, her upper back, and her tailbone are all in a nice straight line. So if I put a PVC pipe or a broomstick across her back, it would hit all 3 points of contact. Now, in order to do this movement, she's gonna extend her opposite arm and her opposite leg out, and she's gonna lead with the heel. You'll notice she's not trying to get this leg as high as possible, okay? She just extends it straight out and back towards the wall. Then she's gonna bring them back down and she's gonna switch. So just give me a couple reps, Jessie. So on the extension of the foot and the hand, she's gonna exhale, and on the way back down, she's gonna inhale. She's gonna maintain a nice neutral alignment so she could balance like a glass of water or something on her tailbone. It wouldn't tip off. Now this time, show me what it looks like if you extend the arm and leg too high. So this is what a lot of people think they're supposed to be doing with the bird dog, and that's not it at all. You drive, yes, exactly. We don't want that. So she's gonna drive the foot straight back. Shouldn't go any higher than the glute. There's a little bit of tension in the glute there, and she's just bringing the arm straight up. And give me one more. So this is a core stability exercise here, and that's what a good bird dog should look like.